So Jade wants some of these chips, but she can't have any. And she's just gonna sit there the whole time and watch me eat them. And I'm so sorry, baby. I can't give you any of those. And she make you feel so bad because she sits there the whole time until you finish. Don't you, Jade? And she hear that bag, and she's not gonna move. She gives you the death stare. Jade. She wanna lick my fingers. No, boo-boo, you can't lick my fingers. It's bad for you. Bad for the baby. You don't care, do you? Nope, you just want some. She's like, I don't care. Just give me some of that in that bag that you're eating. She's like, just one. Like the Dorito commercial. I gotta have one. Just one. Just give me one. Oh, and she'll start growling at you. Don't growl at me, Jade. Good girl. Good girl. Oh my goodness, you're so beautiful. You are such a beautiful baby.